right, in example 2, we're going to continue on with that idea of corresponding angles. And go ahead and remember that corresponding angles are angles in the same position. So when you hear that term corresponding, I want you to think same position. So use the figure to find the measure of the numbered angles. So we're going to start right here. This angle is 68 degrees. The angle in the corresponding position, well, that's number 6. So if we're solving for all of these, we can go ahead and write them down. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, and angle 7. Well, we just found it. Angle 6 is 68 degrees. And then we know that we have a linear pair here. Angle 2 plus 68 degrees has to equal that 180 degrees because they form a linear pair. In order to solve this, we're going to use inverse operations, so subtract 68 on both sides. And we learn that angle 2 is going to equal 112 degrees. So I now know that this is 112 degrees. Angle 2 is 112 degrees. Well, if this is angle 2, guess what? It corresponds with angle 5. So angle 5 is also 112 degrees. And then we can just continue on. We have another linear pair right here. Angle 3 plus 68 degrees has to equal 180. That's the same problem. So if we do that, we're going to learn that angle 3 is also 112 degrees. Angle 3, 112 degrees. And then again, corresponding, angle 3 is going to correspond to angle 7. So angle 7 is 112 degrees. And then the only one that's left is angle 1. And we can just take a look at that. We're going to have another linear pair there. So angle 1 and angle 2 make a linear pair, means they equal 180. We already know angle 2 is 112. So angle 1 plus 112 has to equal 180. If we subtract 180 minus 112, we learn that angle 1 is equal to 68. So angle 1 is 68, which means angle 4 is 68 degrees. And you kind of look at that. It's 112, 68. 112, 68 for they're matching. Red matches to red, blue to blue, green to green, purple to purple. Angle 2 matches angle 5. They're equal. 68 degrees matches to angle 6. They're equal. They're congruent. Angle 1 matches angle 4. They're congruent. Angle 3 matches angle 7. They are congruent. And that's how you can determine all of the numbered angles when you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal.